Hey everyone, thanks for coming out to my website, homeschooling-facts-facets.weebly.com. Again, that's homeschooling-facts-facets.weebly.com. So we're at the homepage titled Homeschooling an Alternate Educational Option, and here I've created a Powtoon that's going to explain what is homeschooling, some general information about it, some pros, and things like that. I've also included my business card on this page and some paragraphs about why homeschooling is an alternate educational option, and it gives some general information as well. Moving on to my About page, I've included some background information about myself as a previous homeschooler and why I decided to create this website. For my What is Homeschooling page, I've linked a Google survey. It's about 10 questions, so it's going to open up on a new page. And it's going to ask you things like, what is your experience with homeschooling? What do you want to see on this website? What is your opinion of homeschooling? And things like that. Going back to my website, if you click on More and then Pros and Cons, I've attached an infographic that's going to compare homeschooling versus a mainstream school. So I'm going to explain some of the pros and cons of both. It talks about academics, socialization, character building, and qualifications, and it ends with a brief summary of the pros and cons of both the mainstream school and homeschooling. Back to More, if you click on Contact page, if you fill out this form, then you can give comments or feedback or anything that you want and just push submit, and then I can take a look at whatever feedback you submit. My last page is the blog, and I just have 2 blogs here. Feel free to comment on either one. One is from a parent's perspective about homeschooling, and the other one is from a student's perspective. So that's my website. Feel free to leave any comments, any suggestions, anything like that. Thanks so much for watching.